Problem 1. Eric has 4 bricks, white and 3 gray. Which of the cubes shown below can be made with his 4 bricks? These are our options. Let's go through each option and count the gray cubes carefully. So we have here 2 gray cubes and 2 white. This is not possible because we have 1 white. So this is not our option. We again have 2 gray and 2 white, not our option. Option C, we have 1, 2 and 3 and 1 white. This could be our answer. Let's see option D. Again, we have 2 gray in here. This is not our option. Option E, 2 gray, not our answer. Eliminated. So our answer is option C, has 4 bricks. Problem 2. How many fish will have their heads pointing towards the ring when we straighten the line? So this is a string where the fishes are being tied up, and we have to find out which fish points towards the ring. Let's find it out. So start from here. This is the fish pointing towards the ring. This is not pointing. And then we move towards this. Yes, this is the fish pointing. This is the fish not pointing. This is the fish not pointing. This is the fish pointing. And this is the fish pointing. This is the fish pointing. This is not the fish pointing towards ring. And this is the fish point. So how many tick marks we have? We have 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So correct answer is option C, 6. Problem 3. When you put the 4 puzzle pieces together correctly, they make a rectangle with an addition. These are the puzzle pieces. What is the result of this addition? These are our options. So let us assume we have to make a rectangle of numbers. This is the rectangle. So we have first corner piece, the leftmost is 1. Then we have the rightmost is 2. So we put it in here. Now this 1 connects with 3. So it makes 13 here. Now this plus sign connects with 3 here. So make it a plus sign. And that this connection would go in here and make it 2. So 13 plus 2 gives us 15. So our answer is option B, 15. Problem 4. Alaya draws a picture of the sun. Which of these is a part of her picture? So this is the picture she has drawn, and we have to find out which of these is a part of her picture. So let us go through each options. So here we have 2 gray, 2 dark gray and white. We don't have anything like this in here. We have gray, dark, light. Yes, this is option B. C, we could not find anything. We have this lighter gray, darker gray, and then we have darker. So this is not our answer as well. Option D, could not find a match in here. In between this, there are 2 white. So this is not our answer. Option E, if we have 2 continuous, then there should be a dark. So this is not our answer. So our answer is option B. Problem 5. Ricky participated in a shooting challenge and scored the most points. Which target was Ricky's? These are different targets. We have to find out which target has the maximum score. Let us go through each options. So here we have option A, 10 plus 8 plus 7 gives us 25 score. Here we have 10 plus 7 plus 7 gives us 24. Here we get 3 8s. So score is 24. 8 times 3, 24. Here we get 8 plus 2 7s. So 14. The score is 26. 2. Here we have 2 9s and 1 8. So 18 plus 8 gives us 26. So highest score is option E. Problem 6. A measuring tape is wrapped around a cylinder. This is the cylinder and a measuring tape is surrounded. Which number should be at the place shown by the question mark? And this is the question mark. These are our options. So the tape starts from 1, reaches to 11, and then comes here 22, and then it is 32. So the difference between this is 10, and from here to the back it is 11. So when the tape comes here, it would be 43. So this will be 44, 45, 46, 47 and 48. So our answer should be option C, 48. Problem 7. Rosanna has ball in 3 different colors. Ball of the same color have the same weight. What is the weight of one white ball? These are our options. This is the weighing and the balls are put on it. So the 2 balls weigh 6 kg. So a gray and a black weigh 6 kg. So we know that a black and a gray in total weight 6 kg. But the total is 10 kg. So 10 minus 6 gives us 4. So the remaining weight would be 4 kg for this ball. So a gray ball is 4 kg. The total is 6 kg. The weight of the black ball would be 6 minus 4 gives us 2, would be 2. Now we know the weight of the gray ball, 4 kg. The total of 2 white balls and a gray ball weighs 14 kg. That means remaining weight 14 minus 4, 10 to be distributed between 2 balls, that is 5 kg each. So the weight of white ball would be C, 5 kg. Problem 8. Anna, Bill, Cynthia and Della have 1 pet each. The pets are a dog, a cat, a fish and a hamster. Anna does not have the fish nor the dog. Bill does not have a dog nor the fish nor the hamster. Who has the hamster? So let us go along with this question. So we have Anna represents A, Bill B, Cynthia C, Della D. Now the pets are dog, cat, fish and a hamster. Anna does not have the fish nor the dog. So Anna might have cat or hamster. Bill does not have a dog, nor the fish, nor the hamster. Bill has cat. That means Anna has hamster. Who has hamster? Option A, Anna has hamster. With this, we wrap up Part A of 2021 Math Kangaroo Challenge for grade 3 and 4. If you enjoyed this challenge and learned something new, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun. See you in Part B. Bye.